Tutorial will guide you through the process of adding pronouns to your Facebook page. Let's begin. Firstly, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Then, tap the menu icon located as 3 horizontal lines. Navigate to Pages, and select the desired page by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo. Once on your page, tap the profile picture, followed by tapping the edit icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and locate the Details section, then tap Edit. Next, select Add Pronouns and input your preferred pronouns before saving the changes. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Facebook page reflects your identity inclusively with the addition of pronouns. Personalize your online presence and promote inclusivity within your community. Stay tuned for more social media tips and guides. Make your Facebook page truly yours by adding your pronouns today. Let's create a more welcoming and understanding online environment together.